Kahit nung una magkita kami nito, talagang magaan yung loob na sa isa't isa. Tinginan pa lang, nakangitian na. Yung mga mentors namin, may sarili na silang choice.
Medyo mellow po siya na parang dramatic masyado.
Hindi ba nila kaya yung this love? Kasi mas upbeat yun.
Familiar ba kayo sa kanta? Sa This Love?
Sikat na sikat po yun.
Pakinggan nyo nanay nyo, kumakanta na.
This love has taken its
Toll on me.
She said goodbye too many times before. Ngayong gabi sa performance namin, makikita niyo ang pinakamaangas na Jeric at David.
I was so high I did not recognize the fire burning in her eyes, the chaos that control my mind. Whispered goodbye, you got on the plane, never to return again, but always in my heart. Oh, this love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before. And her heart is breaking in front of me. I have no choice, 'cause I won't say goodbye anymore. Oh, 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 oh. I think these broken things, repair your broken wings, and make sure everything's alright. It's alright. It's alright. My pressure on your hips, sinking my fingertips to every inch of you, 'cause I know that's what you want me to do. This love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before, and her heart is breaking in front of me. I have no choice, 'cause I won't say goodbye anymore, anymore. Hey, 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 'cause I won't say goodbye. Hey, hey, hey.
Judge Annette, ano po masasabi niyo sa ginawa nila?
Enjoyed their number and magaling silang dalawa. Alam naman natin na for actors kasi, it's always a plus if you have other talents such as singing or performing. So, maganda na very strong sila in this sense. Yung comment ko lang, as a star package, parang nakikita ko na mas malakas pa rin yung star power ni Jeric compared kay David. But in terms of talent, I think you're both very talented. Siguro parang kailangan lang mas mag-shine ka pa, David. Kasi kailangan mo talagang ipakita kung ano talaga yung nasa loob mo para mag-shine ka dito.